Unlock your potential, diverse job opportunities across Azad, Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab awaiting your application. Discover your dream career in the heart of Jammu and Kashmir with the Azad government. A vibrant future awaits in Muzaffarabad. Unveil your creative potential as a graphic designer in the bustling departments of livestock and secretariat information. Immerse yourself in innovation and design. Seize the opportunity before the 26th of February, 2024. Let your talents flourish in a role that promises growth and fulfillment. Alternatively, showcase your proficiency as a stenographer. Perfect for those with a knack for detail and a passion for precision. Embark on this journey by the same deadline. A chance to be part of a team that values speed and accuracy. Meanwhile, the government of Punjab invites dynamic individuals to join the Punjab Public-Private Partnership Authority. An opening that bridges public service and private innovation. Act swiftly as applications close on the 22nd of February, 2024. Your pathway to making a significant impact starts here.